You're like a shining star, so beautiful you are, my baby girl. You light up my world. I pray that I get the chance to be around and watch you grow, and witness your first steps, and the first time when you would call me dad. Just thinking of you makes me smile, holding you